तो पॉइंट टू रिमेंबर भी इस बार आई दृष्टि में शुरू में दे रखा है। क्विकली हम देख लेते हैं पॉइंट टू रिमेंबर क्या क्या है। छोटे छोटे पॉइंट्स हैं बट इनसे क्वेश्चंस काफ़ी ज़्यादा बनने के चांसेस हैं। सो लेट्स सी। द फर्स्ट सिटी in Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO region to be granted rotating title of Cultural and Tourism Capital of SCO, पहली ऐसी कौन सी सिटी बनी है? वाराणसी बनी है। On April 10, 2023, the Election Commission of India withdrew the national party status from तृणमूल कांग्रेस से नेशनल पार्टी स्टेटस विड्रॉ किया, नेशनल कांग्रेस पार्टी एनसीपी से विड्रॉ किया और कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया इनसे विड्रॉ किया। और साथ ही साथ में आपको हमने नेशनल पार्टी स्टेटस दे दिया है अक्टूबर 2012 में। Which only two Indians have been named in Times 100 the most influential people of 2023 in April 2023? शाहरुख खान और एस राजामौली, ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज RRR को ऑस्कर्स मिला है। Who is awarded with the prestigious विश्व भारती सम्मान अवार्ड प्राइज जिसका 5 लाख है फॉर द ईयर 2021, दैट इज हरिदत्त शर्मा। ही इज 74 years old. He is from प्रयागराज। द विश्व भारती सम्मान अवार्ड इज गिवन बाय उत्तर प्रदेश संस्कृत संस्थान, लखनऊ, उत्तर प्रदेश। A 56-year-old woman has become the first person to die from H3N8 bird flu strain that is rare in humans is from which country? China. अब आपको ये याद रखना है यहाँ पे H358 एक बर्ड फ्लू स्ट्रेन है। H3N8 bird flu strain, H3N8 avian influenza A is a kind of bird flu which is extremely rare in humans में जनरली नहीं होता है बट फिर भी इसकी डेथ रिपोर्ट की गई है चाइना से। Which state's metro achieved a new milestone when a metro rake completed a journey under the bed of river Hooghly through a tunnel 32 meters below water level? कोलकाता मेट्रो बिलो वाटर जाके भी कोलकाता मेट्रो बना है। आपको अंडर वाटर मेट्रो का कुछ क्वेश्चन आए तो याद रखिएगा कोलकाता मेट्रो उसका आंसर है। On April 10, 2023, Home Minister Amit Shah launched the Vibrant Village program from which place? Kibitu, a border village in Anjor district of Arunachal Pradesh. Anjor district of Arunachal Pradesh. याद रखिए Anjor district of Arunachal Pradesh. In February 15, 2023, the Prime Minister has approved a centrally sponsored scheme, Vibrant Villages program, with financial allocation of 4,000 crore for the financial years 2023 to 2025-26. याद रखिए वाइब्रेंट विलेजेस प्रोग्राम, इसमें दे नहीं रखा पर बता देती हूँ। वाइब्रेंट विलेजेस बेसिकली बॉर्डर विलेजेस के लिए है, बॉर्डर विलेजेस और कुछ ब्लॉक्स के लिए है। On April 9, 2023, Prime Minister of India has launched the International Big Cats Alliance, IBCA, International Big Cats Alliance, IBCA. कहाँ पे? Mysore University in Mysuru, Karnataka. The International Big Cats Alliance will focus on the protection and conservation of 7 major big cats of the world. They are tiger, lion, leopard, snow leopard, puma, jaguar and cheetah. 7 big cats वर्ल्ड के कौन कौन से हैं आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं। In September 17, 2022, cheetahs were brought to India from Namibia to Kuno National Park, मध्य प्रदेश। याद रखना है हमें, Kuno National Park मध्य प्रदेश में आए हैं। The African cheetah with several subspecies occurring in different African countries is listed as vulnerable में listed है। Recently, a bill was passed in Rajya Sabha to give the ST status to which community in 4 districts of Uttar Pradesh? कौन कौन सी डिस्ट्रिक्ट थी? गोंड कम्युनिटी को पहली बात तो दिया गया। डिस्ट्रिक्ट कौन कौन सी हैं? संत कबीर नगर, संत रविदास नगर, चंदौली एंड कुशीनगर। The third ASEAN Digital Ministers ADGMIN meeting with India was held 9 to 10 February 2023 on a virtual platform in Boracay Island, Aklan, Philippines. थर्ड आसियान डिजिटल मिनिस्टर्स ADGMIN मीटिंग कहाँ पे हुई है? वर्चुअली हुई है, बोराके आइलैंड्स, Aklan, Philippines. The leadership of the ASEAN Pacific Postal Union APPU from January 2023 will be provided to India. Recently, Dr. Shrivari Chandrasekhar, Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, inaugurated the first ASEAN India Startup Festival AISF. अक्टूबर 2022 में हुआ। इट वॉज हेल्ड इन बोगोर, इंडोनेशिया। Recently, the 17th annual summit of G20 was held in Bali under Indonesian presidency under the theme Recover Together, Recovery Stronger. ये इंडिया से पहले वाली यानी कि 17th annual summit हुई है। 18th वाली इंडिया में हो रही है, हमें याद रखना है 18th summit है इंडिया की। नीचे लिखा भी हुआ है, इंडिया हैज अज्यूम्ड द चार्ज ऑफ G20 प्रेसिडेंसी एंड द 18th समिट 2023 which will be held in New Delhi, India. The theme of India's G20 presidency, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam or One Earth, One Family, One Future, is drawn from the ancient Sanskrit text Maha Upanishad. 7th Eastern Economic Forum 2022, established by a decree of the President of Russian Federation Vladimir Putin in 2015, was recently held at Vladivostok, Russia. ईस्टर्न इकोनॉमिक फोरम रशिया हेल्ड करता है, कहाँ हुआ है? व्लादिवोस्टोक में हुआ है. ये रशिया के फार ईस्टर्न एंड में आती है ये सिटी. On February 24, 2023, the Kerala government has launched robotic scavenger and became the first state to use robotic scavengers to clean manholes. It is named as Bandicoot. Robotic scavengers का क्या नाम है? Bandicoot. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of various projects worth over 3,900 crore in which village and declared it as India's first 24/7 solar powered village, Modhera, Gujarat. यहाँ Sun Temple भी है. Modhera, UNESCO World Heritage Sites, is famous for its Sun Temple built by King Bhima I. King Bhima I ने ये temple बनाया है and he was from Chalukya dynasty on the banks of river Pushpavati. The theme of Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention 2023 was Diaspora Reliable Partners for India's Progress in Amritkal. First I2U2 Leaders Virtual Summit Quadrilateral Forum virtually held recently for the first time, where I2U2 stands for, हमने पहले भी देखा है अपनी वीडियोस में, India, Israel, UAE and USA. Which country was named the world's happiest country for the 6th time in a row? Finland. इंडिया की क्या रैंक आई है वर्ल्ड हैप्पीनेस रिपोर्ट में? 126 रैंक आई है. There were no change in India's score and position in corruption perception index, जो कि उसका 85th ही पोजीशन रहा है. Which institute has developed the violin unit grafted organic framework IVOFM technique for tackling the problem of water contamination? Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, IISER, Pune. Which ministry has launched the Samundrayaan mission? Ministry of Earth Sciences. Samundrayaan है, जल शक्ति मत समझ लीजिएगा, Ministry of Earth Sciences. Samundrayaan mission is aimed at sending 3 personnel to 6,000 meter depth in a vehicle called Matsya 6000 for deep ocean exploration. Matsya 6000 vehicle is being designed and developed by National Institute of Ocean Technology, NIOT. कहाँ पे है? ये भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. Where is NIOT? It is in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. First All India Annual States Ministers Conference Water Vision at 2047 was recently held in which city of India? Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. What is the name of Hawaiian volcano erupted again recently? Kilauea volcano. Kilauea volcano is active shield volcano, erupts magma of low viscosity and hence less steep, located on the Hawaiian island. Hawaii, USA is a group of 8 volcanic islands in the central Pacific Ocean stretching in a crescent form. Kure Island in west to Hawaii in east. What is the name of the scheme announced by Finance Minister in the annual budget speech for protection and conservation of mangroves? MISHTI, Mangrove Initiative for Shoreline Habitats and Tangible Incomes. According to fresh data released by the Sweden-based Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, SIPRI, India was the world's largest arms importer between 2018 and 2022, accounting for 11% of global imports. सबसे ज़्यादा इंडिया ने आर्म्स इंपोर्ट किए हैं. 11th इंटरनेशनल IP इंडेक्स was released by the US Chambers of Commerce among 55 leading global economies. India was ranked at 42nd. India 42nd रैंक हुआ है. The theme of the Human Development Report 2021-22 was Uncertain Times, Unsettled Lives, Shaping Our Future in a Transforming World. Human Development Report का ये थीम था. Which country released a special stamp to honor 75th anniversary of India's independence? Serbia. Who has taken over the charge of new chairman and chief executive officer, CEO, Railway Board, Ministry of Railways, Shri Anil Kumar Lahoti, who was appointed as head of New Delhi International Arbitration Center. Judge of the Supreme Court, Hemant Gupta को अपॉइंट किया गया है. The Border Security Force, BSF, inaugurated a new theme park at the Sand Dunes border crossing in कहाँ पे करा है? जैसलमेर. The edition of Youth Summit is set to take place on 26 February 2023 in Bangalore. Which state is set to become the first state to launch its own climate change mission? Tamil Nadu. Government of Haryana's Forest Department and the US Agency for International Development USAID announced the launch for Trees Outside Forest in India TOFI USAID ने और Government of Haryana's Forest Department ने मिल के इसे अनाउंस किया है Trees Outside Forest of India TOFI program. The Ummeed program is a centrally sponsored scheme to encourage women to be self-dependent and self-sufficient in Jammu and Kashmir. Which state tableau has won the top prize at the 74th Republic Day Parade? Uttarakhand tableau. Name the author of the book The Poverty of Political Economy, How Economies Abandoned the Poor. मेघंद देसाई. बुक का नाम क्या है? द पॉवर्टी ऑफ पॉलिटिकल इकोनॉमी, हाउ इकोनॉमीज अबैंडन द पुअर. मेघंद देसाई. Which state governments has launched the Ladli Behna scheme to give 1,000 every month to women from all sections of society who don't pay income tax? Madhya Pradesh. What is the theme of World Wetland Day 2023? It's time for wetlands restoration. International Lusophone Festival to be held in Goa. Lusophone Festival, Goa. National Minorities Rights Day is commemorated on December 18. इंडिया में दिसंबर 18 को नेशनल माइनॉरिटीज राइट्स डे मनाया जाता है. इसका थीम क्या था 2022 में? ऑल इन फॉर माइनॉरिटी राइट्स. फर्स्ट स्टेट टू सेट अप दिव्यांग डिपार्टमेंट कौन है? महाराष्ट्र है. वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट साइंस संस्कृत फिल्म ऑन मलयालम ऑन मंगलयान यनम. पहली साइंस संस्कृत फिल्म ऑन मंगलयान यनम. Indian Institute of Technology Madras IIT Madras researchers have developed an ocean wave energy converter that can generate electricity from sea wave. Sindhuja 1. In order to lessen conflict between people and elephants, Nainital Uttarakhand has started a pilot project called Reducing Human Attacks Using Honeybees. Rehab. The Dhamma Deepa International Buddhist University DDIBU is expected to become the first Buddhist-run university in India to offer Buddhist education along with courses in other disciplines of modern education as well. It lies in Sabroom of South Tirupura district. Where does first fully digital literate panchayat lies? Kerala's Pulampara. Fully digital literate panchayat है ये केरला के पुलमपरा में. The recent initiative brokered between Russia and Ukraine by United Nations and Turkey in July 2002 named as the Black Sea Grain Initiative. Out of the 191 countries and territories on 2021-22 Human Development Index tracking the global decline in human development, India was positioned at 132 Human Development Index में इंडिया का पोजीशन 132 है. 17th एशिया पैसिफिक रीजनल मीटिंग ऑफ इंटरनेशनल लेबर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कहाँ हुआ? सिंगापुर में हुआ. पीएम मोदी ने परफॉर्म द फाउंडेशन शिलान्यास सेरेमनी टू लॉन्च द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ इंडिया इंटरनेशनल सेंटर फॉर बुद्धिस्ट कल्चर एंड हेरिटेज कहाँ पे? लुम्बिनी मोनेस्टिक जोन. On September 22, 2022, USA lawmakers voted to ratify the Kigali Amendment, which is related to Montreal Protocol. This is the first ever environment-related convention that US has ratified. हमने पीछे पढ़ा था इस बारे में. In the past 30 years ऐसा पहला है ये. Operation London Bridge, also known by its code phrase London Bridge is down, was known for funeral plan of Queen Elizabeth II. हमने आज ही पढ़ा है. साथ में ऑपरेशन लंदन ब्रिज के साथ में ऑपरेशन यूनिकॉर्न भी, जहाँ पे उनका डेथ हुआ था उनके फेवरेट कैसल में, उसको भी ऑपरेशन यूनिकॉर्न नाम दिया गया था. In May 2022, India has been unanimously elected as the new chair of Association of Asian Election Authorities AAEA for 2022-24 at the meeting held at Manila, Philippines. AAEA, Association of Asian Election Authorities. Recently, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka began the first synchronized vulture survey in select regions of Western Ghats. Vulture Conservation and Breeding Center VCBC is located in Pinjore, Haryana. Diclofenac is toxic to vultures even in small doses, causing kidney failure. Recently, Union Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers has inaugurated the IFCO Nano Urea liquid plants at Onola and Phulpur in Uttar Pradesh. Local Biodiversity Management Committee concerned Panchayat along with Secure Himalaya project recently resolved to declare Yayaso as Ladakh's first biodiversity heritage site. Yayaso, Ladakh's first biodiversity heritage site. Yayaso is a nesting habitat for a large number of birds and animals such as the bar-headed goose, black-necked crane and Brahmini duck. It is one of the highest breeding sites of the black-necked crane in India. Recently, construction of 4.1 kilometer Shinkunla tunnel on Nimbu-Padam Darcha road link has been approved, which connects Himachal Pradesh Lahaul Valley and Ladakh's Zanskar Valley. निम्बू-पदन दरचा रोड लिंक, याद रखिए 4.1 किलोमीटर शिंकुनला टनल कहाँ पे बनी है? निम्बू-पदन दरचा रोड लिंक पे, जो कनेक्ट करता है हिमाचल प्रदेश के लाहौल वैली एंड लद्दाख ज़स्कर वैली. It will be built by Border Road Organization (BRO) under its ambitious project Yojak. Recently, Indian Agriculture Research Institute (IARI) scientists have developed the third climate-smart variety of wheat named as HD3385. HD3385 climate smart variety of wheat, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज आइटम है ये. IARI ने डेवलप किया है थर्ड क्लाइमेट स्मार्ट वैरायटी ऑफ व्हीट. कंफ्यूज कर सकते हैं आपको राइस देके, नहीं है बाजरा देके, नहीं है कुछ भी देके आपको कंफ्यूज कर सकते हैं. आपको याद रखना है व्हीट के से रिलेटेड है. HD3385. As part of Atmanirbhar Bharat, India has developed the world's first bamboo crash barrier, Bahubali, 200 meter long, which has been installed on the Wani-Warora Highway, Vidarbha, Maharashtra. Wani-Warora Highway, Vidarbha, Maharashtra. UN 2023 Water Conference 2023 is held in New York, USA. The conference was co-hosted by the governments of Tajikistan and the Netherlands. The chief guest of Pravasi Bharatiya Divas 2023 was Dr. Mohammad Irfan Ali, President of Cooperative Republic of Guyana. ये चीफ गेस्ट थे. कौन थे? मोहम्मद इरफान अली, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव रिपब्लिक ऑफ गयाना. Recently, Manipur Sangai Festival was held in November 2022 and the theme of the festival is Festival of Oneness. Festival of Oneness. केबुल लैम्जो नेशनल पार्क में ये डांसिंग डियर मिलते हैं, याद रखिएगा. मणिपुर संगाई फेस्टिवल से डांसिंग डियर, इनका और भी नाम होता है. Recently, who took oath as the new Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh? Sukhwinder Singh Sukkhu. The coveted international eco-label Blue Flag has been accorded to two new beaches of India, Minikoy Thundi Beach and Kadmat Beach, Lakshadweep. First women elected to the 60-member Nagaland Assembly in recent election, Hekani Jhakalu and Salhautu Tonu Khurse. थोड़ा प्रोनाउंसिएशन प्रॉब्लमैटिक हो सकता है बिकॉज सब इसे अलग अलग तरीके से प्रोनाउंस करेंगे, तो वो देख लीजिएगा. इफ़ यू आर नॉट एबल टू रिमेंबर इट, आप इसे हेकानी से याद कर सकते हैं एंड क्रूसे से याद कर सकते हैं. हिकानी एंड क्रूसे, एटलीस्ट ये याद रखिए ताकि आप ऑप्शन से आइडेंटिफाई कर पाएँ. याद रखना है नागालैंड 60 मेंबर नागालैंड असेंबली. आज तक कोई विमेन नहीं थी, पहली बार ये 2 विमेन इलेक्ट हुई हैं. हु टोक ओथ एज द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ नागालैंड फॉर द 5th टर्म? नेफ्यू रियो, नेशनलिस्ट डेमोक्रेटिक प्रोग्रेसिव पार्टी NDPP. हु टुक ओथ एज द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ त्रिपुरा फॉर द 2nd टर्म? मानिक साहा. इंडियन रेलवे स्टार्ट्स द गुरु कृपा यात्रा फ्रॉम 5th April 2023. लखनऊ से स्टार्ट होगी इंडियन रेलवेज गुरु कृपा यात्रा. Where was the Youth Festival India at 2047 launched? IIT Ropar, Punjab. प्रधानमंत्री भारतीय जन औषधि परियोजना PMBJP train flagged off from 3 March 2023 न्यू दिल्ली से. Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi and Prime Minister of Bangladesh Sheikh Hasina jointly inaugurated which pipeline? India-Bangladesh Friendship Pipeline. First cross-border energy pipeline between both countries. How many cities targeted to become 3-star garbage free by October 2024? 1000. कितनी cities targeted है to become 3-star garbage free? 1000 cities. First state to pass bill for safety of lawyers? Rajasthan. Which project was launched to green 5-kilometer buffer area around the Aravali Hill Range in 4 states? Aravali Green Wall Project. The first Indian Central Asia Cultural Minister meeting hosted by Ministry of Culture India. India Central Asia Culture Ministers meeting. How many women wash champions were conferred with Swachh Sujal Shakti Samman 2023 by President Draupadi Murmu? 36. Swachhotsav 3-week women-led Swachhta campaign launched under Swachh Bharat Mission Urban 2.0. Where was the Global Millets Conference organized? New Delhi. 18 to 19 March 2023 न्यू दिल्ली में ऑर्गेनाइज हुई है. Which city host B20 meeting under India's G20 presidency? Gangtok, टिम गैंगटॉक 6 टिम B20 हर बार मीटिंग्स होती हैं G20 के अंडर, एंड इट इज़ वन ऑफ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मीटिंग विच इज़ हेल्ड अंडर G20, बिजनेस 20 इसे बोलते हैं, ये गैंगटॉक में हुई. Where was the second G20 Sustainable Finance Working Group SFWG meeting held under India's G20 presidency? उदयपुर, राजस्थान. Sustainable Finance Working Group की मीटिंग कहाँ हुई? उदयपुर में हुई. Top 3 states large and mid-size category in India. Justice Report IJR 2022 overall ranking. First है कर्नाटका की, स्कोर है 6.38. सेकेंड है तमिलनाडु की, स्कोर 6.11. थर्ड तेलंगाना, स्कोर 6.11. Top 3 states large or mid-size में in category in India Justice Report IJR 2022. Which country won bid to host third ICAO conference on aviation and alternative fuels? UAE. Which country has invited Prime Minister Narendra Modi to visit as a guest at the annual Bastille Day parade in July? France. Which country became 31st member of NATO? फिनलैंड, जो कि एक नॉर्डिक कंट्री है, 31st मेंबर बनी. एंड इससे पूछे फिनलैंड से पहले कौन है, तो नॉर्थ मैसेडोनिया है, याद रखिएगा. Where has Ministry of Tourism inaugurated a pavilion under its Incredible India brand? Bots, Germany. Which Indian woman has conquered Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa wearing लुअंछरी? अंजलि शर्मा. लुअंछरी पहन के माउंट किलिमंजारो अफ्रीका में उन्होंने कॉन्कर किया है. Which Nobel Peace Prize winner 2022 sentenced to 10 years jail by Belarus court? Ales Bialiatski. Nobel Prize winner 2022, 10 years jail by Belarus court. Ales Bialiatski. Best and cleanest airports in the Asia Pacific region by the Airports Council International ACI मार्च 2023 में किसको मिला है? इंदिरा गांधी इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट, न्यू दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट को. On the occasion of Digital Payment Awareness Week, DPAW, Reserve Bank of India launched 6 to 12 March 2023 हर पेमेंट डिजिटल मिशन. Who was awarded with Governor of the Year 2023 by the International Publication Central Banking Awarded? Shaktikant Das, RBI Governor. Where was Semicon India Conference inaugurated? New Delhi. Where was 95th World Ayurveda Conference and Arogya Expo 2022 inaugurated? Panaji, Goa. Where was Asia's largest 4-meter International Liquid Mirror Telescope inaugurated by Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh? Devastal, Uttarakhand. Asia's largest 4-meter International Liquid Mirror Telescope कहाँ पे inaugurate हुआ? देवस्थल, उत्तराखंड. Where did Prime Minister Modi inaugurate International Telecommunication Union ITU Field Office and Innovation Center? New Delhi. First Indian state to pass Right to Health Bill? Rajasthan. मार्च 2023 में पास हुआ है. Which organization successfully carried out the landing experiment of the Reusable Launch Vehicle Technology Demonstration RLV-TD program? Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. 10th edition of Annual Bilateral Maritime Exercise SLINEX 23 held at 3 to 8 April 2023, Colombo, Sri Lanka. SLINEX 23 held at Colombo, Sri Lanka. Who became first women to command combat unit in Indian Air Force? Shalija Dhami. First women to command combat unit in Indian Air Force? Shalija Dhami, याद रखिए, इंपॉर्टेंट है, आ सकता है. फर्स्ट विमेन टू कमांड कॉम्बैट यूनिट इन इंडियन एयरफोर्स. Who has been selected for the prestigious Sangeet Kalanidhi Award 2023? Bombay Jayashree. Who took charge as the 28th Controller General of Accounts CGA? SS Dubey. NMDC has appointed whom as its brand ambassador? Nikhat Zareen. State Tableau, who has won the top prize at the 74th Republic Day Parade? Uttarakhand Tableau. Name of the author of the book The Poverty of Political Economy, How Economies Abandoned the Poor? Meghant Desai. India's G20 Sherpa inaugurates India's first model G20 summits. India's G20 Sherpa was Amitabh Kant. State governments has launched the Ladli Behna scheme. Ladli Behna scheme किसने लॉन्च की है? मध्य प्रदेश ने लॉन्च की है. Which state government has launched a campaign Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan to make daughters of the underprivileged classes capable and self-reliant? Uttar Pradesh. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has presented the Union Budget for the fifth time. The Budget 2023 focuses on how many priorities, which the Finance Minister called the Saptarishis guiding us through Amrit Kaul. 7. Saptarishis कहाँ पे आए? Budget 2023 फोकस करता है इन पे. Which Indian institute ranked first in public institutions category of Indian Institutional Ranking Framework of Management and Business Schools IIM Ahmedabad? World Wetlands Day is celebrated annually on 2nd February. Who was recently conferred a Lifetime Achievement Honour by the India-UK Achievers Honours? Dr. Manmohan Singh. Who has been conferred with FIH's President's Award 2023? V. Kartikeya Pandyan. Which country is to host Football's 2027 Asian Cup? Saudi Arabia. Where will be the next edition of Asian Football Cup hosted in 2023? Qatar. Who launched Visit India Year 2023 initiative? Ministry of Tourism. G. Kishan Reddy. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the world's first nano urea plant in 2021 at which place? कल्लौल गुजरात. पहला नैनो यूरिया प्लांट कहाँ पे लॉन्च हुआ है? कल्लौल गुजरात में लॉन्च हुआ है. विच कंपनी इन इंडिया इज एक्सेप्टेड डिजिटल करेंसी फॉर पेमेंट्स? रिलायंस रिटेल. विच इंडियन म्यूजिशियन वन द ग्रैमी फॉर द थर्ड टाइम? रिकी तेज. हु वन द रिकॉर्ड ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड इन ग्रैमी अवार्ड्स 2023? लिजो. इन विच सिटी पीएम मोदी इनॉग्रेटेड इंडिया एनर्जी वीक 2023? बेंगलुरु. Which country has been designated as the pioneer investor by the International Seabed Authority? India. Yaya So to be the first biodiversity heritage site located in which union territory? Ladakh. Which Indian city becomes the first civic body to launch green bonds? Indore. Who is nominated for the BBC Indian Sportswomen of the Year award? साक्षी मलिक एंड विनेश फोगाट. इन दोनों को नॉमिनेट किया है BBC इंडियन स्पोर्ट्स वुमेन ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड. सो गाइज मैंने ऐसे पाँच टोटल ऑलमोस्ट 15 पेजेस के पॉइंट टू रिमेंबर हैं एंड दिस इज मोस्टली अ रिविजन ऑफ वॉट एवर वी हैव स्टडीड एंड वॉट एवर वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडीड. अच्छा है जो पढ़ेंगे जो पढ़ लिया है सबका मिला के हमें कंसाइज फॉर्मेट में दे रखा है. इससे हमारा और भी अच्छा रिविजन होगा बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली इट इज़ ओनली द रिविजन विच मैटर्स. जितनी बार आप वीडियोज़ को सुनेंगे जितनी बार आप रिवाइज करेंगे उतना बेटर आपको याद रहेगा एग्जाम के लिए. एक बार पढ़ने से कुछ नहीं होता, बार बार रिवीजन इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो ठीक है मैं 5 पेजेस के फॉर्मेट में ये वीडियोस कवर कर लूँगी. दैट्स इट. थैंक यू सो मच.